Let me open this. Okay, so good morning everyone and welcome back in today's class. Today, yesterday we kick off our topic called the service portal and the request management. Okay, today we will see that how this thing actually configured. When I say configured means how I can create. Let me open my portal as well in the side. Okay, so now if you see here, oh,
Atul, so good morning.
who
So
done
if you
this?
see on top, yeah. it's me. So how it
Okay.
is like, I was just trying it and realized, okay, how it will come. So I could not figure out, can I, will this come or not? Now if you click on close, it will close. It will not
Yes,
bother
yes,
you.
yes. Yep.
So,
Because
I,
yesterday I was doing some ATF part. Then also find out why this be coming. Not
sorry
sure.
for that.
Okay.
Sorry for
No,
that.
no, no. That's fine. That's fine. No, nothing. I know that you guys are using my instance. Okay. So now what we'll do? Let's go to the catalogs here. Okay. And when I click here, I can see these many options. So now what we'll do? We will create one catalog item. But to create a catalog item, what I need? I need a catalog. I need a category, and under that I will create one item. Let's take example, or let's see. And this complete process, which we are going to be discussed today, and we discussed yesterday, and we will discuss in next 2 days. That will be part of my service request management. Don't forget, this is a very good topic. It has been asked in interview a number of times. Do you have any idea about the request management? And I will tell you that what question can be asked during the interview on that part. So number one point is that what is the difference between catalog, category, and the catalog item? Now let's create a catalog here. Let's go here. How you can do? Go here and search for the maintain catalog. What I'm doing, suppose I'm going to be open a new restaurant and I want to create a menu card. I want to create a new catalog. So I'll go here, click on this title. Let me put service now training. Who is the manager for this? Let me say Tanvi or Harsha is the manager for this one. They have no role in this. They are manager because if anyone want to make any changes, they can reach out to this person and ask, okay, can we make any changes on this particular catalog or not? That is the one thing. Okay. Then editor. Who can edit this catalog? Let me add my name as well. Okay, I'll add it in the editor. Oops, my name is not appearing. What happened? Let's see. Okay, maybe these person. Okay, why my name is not appearing? Because I don't have a catalog editor role. Let's open this. Maybe I can just put Bud Richmond here and do this thing. And in the another window, let's open this thing just to see that what extra role this guy has, so that we should know. So these things you can do R&D at your end easily. That why my name is not appearing, why his name is appearing here. This one. What extra role he has? Scroll down. Oh my God. Okay, let's see. Something good. Task, request, read, assign dependency, template, agent workspace. Tracker file, canvas, request, write. Okay. And problem this one. He has the catalog editor rule. So now what I will do, I will give this role to myself as well, so that I can also make changes in my catalog item. Clear till this point or any doubt?
Sir, manager also require these roles or?
No, manager can be anyone who need to just manage, nothing much. But editor means who need to be edit this particular stuff.
Okay.
So these are the things which is be required for the practical part. So I can say, okay, let me give all the catalog part to my name. Why? Because why I'm giving this role, we are going to be use few of the things in the coming days. Catalog builder will be a new functionality given by ServiceNow. So maybe I can add few more. Catalog manager. Let me do the catalog manager role. Okay. Click save. Now if I go here, I'll make a change here. Let me try to find out if my name is appearing now. Yes, it's very okay. And love it. Description. What the purpose of this catalog? So you can write any story here. Background color, and if you want to put any image, you can put the background color like this. Right. ServiceNow understand this. Okay. See how smart. Desktop image. How the catalog will be look like, what image you want to put it here. Choose file. So I have few images saved earlier which I use. Let me use this one. Okay. And click OK. This is I'm doing as of now. I'm just creating my catalog, nothing else. Okay. Now what I will do, if you want to put any home page for the catalog, you can put, otherwise you can leave it like this only. Okay. And on the right side, if we see application enable wish list, that anyone can add items via this catalog in the wish list, I can say yes. Now let me click on the save here. Anything left in the down? Not now. I'll pick up little later this thing. Save. My catalog has been created. Now I'll go here and refresh my page. Yes, Ishwarya. Good, good.
Your system is hanged.
Is it kya?
No, not for me. I mean, I can see everything moving.
Oh, okay.
Maybe can you just disconnect again, connect again? Yeah. Okay. So now the thing is that my catalog is not appearing here. Why? Anyone an idea why my catalog is not appearing here? Chalo, theek hai. We'll pick up this question little later. Okay. Now let's go to the next part. So this is catalog. This is category. So now what we done? We done the catalog creation. Now I will create a category. Maintain category and go to the new. Category is what I can say. ServiceNow training foundation. This is my title. Catalog. Under which catalog you want to put? If I say Chinese, in which menu card you want to put? In beverages, in the hard drinks, or in the main course? So I'll say in the catalog which I created just now. What is my catalog name? ServiceNow training. This one. Location you want to put, you can put, that's not required here. Description you can put that what is the purpose of this foundation here. Hello. Foundation. Images you can add. I'm not putting this thing because after today's class, you have to create your own catalog. You have to create your own category. You have to create your own item as well. So don't feel lazy in this case now. Think your use case and create one catalog, one category, one item. More than one catalog, more than one categories. And do all these things, images and all the things. It's not I'm not going to put it here now. Okay. Do you want to put this as a, what I can say, mobile view as well? So in mobile, it will be appearing as a list or as a card, like this way, or scroll up this next. So I can say this thing, this one. Now let me save this. Normal menu card. Under menu card, I have a category, main course, desserts, snacks. Only these things I mentioned. I did not create any item under that. I did not say, okay, in beverages, I have a soft drink, lemon juice. I did not say in the desserts, I have gulab jamun, ice cream, faluda, all these things. So that thing we will do now. Any question till this point? Tell me.
No, sir.
Okay, good. This is the little older way to do that part. I'll maybe in a not tomorrow, in Friday class, I will show you that what are the new ways to create the item in the new front end as well. But as of now, let's go to the maintain item here. Now again, I have a question. Why my catalog is not appearing in the drop down? Now I need an answer. Tanvi. Why? Why my catalog is not appearing in the service portal? Tell me, Tanvi. Vishwajit. Tell me. Aishwarya. Yes, guys, tell me.
Published.
Nothing. There's nothing called publish. Did you find any button on the top here which say publish? Nothing. That is the beauty of service now. Dhanashri. Yes, tell me.
This catalog not mentioned in the that portal. We are not added.
Very nice. How you know this thing? Okay. Dhanashri answered correctly here that Atul sir, these catalog are not mapped into the service portal. 100% agree. Let me do that part as well, Dhanashri, for you. You're not thinking from the ground level. Don't become the architects here. Think from a ground level. Why it is not appearing? This is the biggest mistake we as a consultant do actually. When customer put any query, any requirement in front of us, we start digging on the moon level. And maybe that is a very minute thing for us. Let me go here as per Dhanashri. Sir, these catalog are not mapped in portal. Let me add that. So I'm going in the portal page. I'm going in the catalogs. Click on the edit. 100% agree with you, Dhanashri. Right answer. ServiceNow training. Done. Save. And save. Let me save it. Now let me go back to my portal. Now, if you see, still not appearing. Dhanashri. Yes. Dhanashri, why it is not appearing now? I need an answer. Tell me. Arun, why it's not appearing here now? We've done all the part.
I think might be refresh part because it is still not refreshing. Refreshed. I mean,
लो
हो
कर
सकता
दो.
है. हो सकता है.
No problem, no problem. I'm doing it. No problem for me.
Yeah, now it's refreshed and click on the all. I think it's because of the it is in the personalized
No,
list.
no.
Then I'm here, paying all the attention. Then
No, don't worry. You are not alone here. Yes, guys, tell me. Harsha, why it is not appearing? Dhanashri put 1 point. She won the game. She is leading with the 1-0. Now tell me why it is not appearing. Okay. Now I tell you one question, 1 point. I'm sure that we all visited the restaurants and hotels specifically for lunch, dinner, or the breakfast, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? At least say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. When you go there, that waiter give you the menu card, right? Did you see any menu card till now in your time period from the last 5 years, 6 years going in the restaurants? Did you see any menu card which has a category, but we don't have any item in that? In menu card, I mentioned dessert, and under dessert, I did not mention anything. Did you see any menu card like this?
No.
No.
Then how you think that ServiceNow is so much full here? ServiceNow say you don't have any single item. What you want to present to your customers, right? If I'm saying I'm a trainer, you say Atul, what trainer? I'm a trainer. Atul, what trainer? I'm a trainer. Atul, what trainer? I'm a trainer. What you are getting from there? Nothing you are getting from there. It means unless I will add one item, it will not appear on the page. Plus, you have to be add the catalog into the portal as well, which we done just now as per the request of Dhanashri. So now what we will do? Let create one item here. Create new. I told you you're putting a lot of efforts thinking in a direction. Name. Training. Under which catalog it should appear? Catalog. Dal makhani. Under which catalog it will appear? It will appear in the beverages. It will appear in the food one, food menu card, or it will appear in the shopping one. It should appear in the food menu card. What is my catalog? ServiceNow training. Under which category you want? Dal makhani in the food catalog, food menu card. Under which? Desserts, main course, dals, chapati. It should go in the dal or chapati. So in the dal section. So let me put as a, what is the name of our category? Foundation. Samjhe? And who is the owner? Is the learn and grow. Now if I go here, these 6 are important. 5, at least 5, not this one, because this is a newly introduced in Cubic, so we will not discuss. Short description. ServiceNow functional training, copy and put in the description. For the sake, save, go, reload. Will just sim हो गया. 1. Under this I have a category. This under this I have a item. Clear now? Any doubt, any question, any clarification? Yes.
Okay, so it was coming there, but because we didn't have the item, so it was not showing up. Can we see that?
Yes.
Here?
Simple,
Okay.
simple logic, simple logic. Remember this example. Will you put any catalog item in or catalog in front of your customer which don't have any item or the even category? Will you give the blank catalog item to anyone or menu card? We just mention your shop name. Boss mention something, at least mention one cat item, na? Right? Now what we'll do, we will mainly work on the item now. Okay. You are able to see these things, right? From where these things are coming. This time, this. The order now is not good. Let me make a change here. Okay, so now what we'll do, we will do the changes on the item level. That is catalog item level. We are going to make a change now. Okay, now let's scroll down. You can put any kind of images, videos, anything you want to put, you can put. That's not an issue. Let me put any image here. Attachment. Okay, let it be load now. Yep. And I click on the save. Okay. Let me do the save in the same part. Did you guys noticing one thing? Something new is coming. Catalog builder. We will discuss this maybe on the Friday class. This is the another way to create the same catalog item. ServiceNow, as I told in the beginning, ServiceNow is going from the code to the no code or the low code mechanism. And when I say that this training is a functional, where I will tell you the functional plus the technical part as well, that how you can use this catalog builder. Maybe we will create one item with the help of the catalog builder as well. But as of now, in market, we are using this way only, maintain items. Now let me come to the process engine. Leave it for the time being. Picture. You want to put any icons on the picture, you can do that part. I just put one simply and quickly. Let me put this. Okay. This R&D you can do at your end. That there's nothing to be worried about this. This one, pricing. Here it is becoming. This one I'm talking. There's no prices coming, right? Let me show that price here. In which currency you want to put a price? Prices. I say I want to put in the dollar. Okay, dollar how much? It's $1. Any reoccurring prices. See, basically, these things you need to be discussed with your customer. That do you want to put any pricing or not on the portal? Reoccurring, I say only $1. Reoccurring frequency. Like what is the purpose of this? Basically, when you suppose you are booking a new setup box from the Airtel website, it will ask initial charges is 1,000 rupees. Reoccurring price means they are giving you on the lease every year you have to pay me the $2 extra. So you can decide that it will be daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, quarterly. I said annually. I will charge this point for you from you. Portal settings. This thing. This button I'm talking. this button. Now it say which method you want to use, order, request, or submit. I say submit is good. Do you want to hide to cart? Means do you want these things should not appear? Let's do one thing. Let's do a practical here. Click on the save as of now. Catalog. And click here. Now you can see the prices are coming. Images which we put, it's coming here. Then it's showing this price plus this price annually. From where annually is coming, it is coming from the this particular way pricing. Clear or any doubt? Anyone? Now what I'll do, I'll put these things and click on the save. Go here, reload my page. So I can see everything here. Add to wish list, add to cart. From where this wish list is coming? This is coming from the catalog. Enable wish list. If you remember, we have done that part. This one. If I remove this, save, go here, sorry, go here and reload. See, wish list is not coming now. Clear? Everyone? Any doubt? Any question? Yes, tell me, guys.
No doubt, sir.
Interesting, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
By seeing this, you will get a little more requirement clearance from my side. Okay, Atul, when Atul say that they need something on the portal, so this is I'm talking here. Okay. Now I'll show you a little important point here, which is good to understand. In the process engine, three things are there: flow, workflow, and the execution plan. This is the oldest one. As of now, nobody is using this. Workflow, which I'm going to tell you now. And this is the flow designer. There are multiple ways to call one number from your phone. Number one, you can speak and Google will dial it for you. Number two, if it is in favorite, you can dial it on the quickly. Number three, search in the directory and dial it there. Number four, open the contact and there is a dialing button, dial from here. In every case, the output is only one. That user is able to call to the other number. Correct? So in the same way, ServiceNow says that why always these kind of things will be taken care by my developers only. You are a consultant, you are in front of the customer, you have to give some POC to the customer. Will you come back to the developer and say, please create something for me? No, I am giving you the option. Go and create your own workflow. Just drag and drop, drag and drop. So this thing and this thing we will discuss in Friday class or maybe in tomorrow's class. Today we are going to be discussing about the workflow. What do you mean by the workflow specifically? Workflow means it is a step-by-step execution of a record. Yesterday, if you notice, when we create a request item for my iPad, it go to 4 different teams. stock changing, then procurement, then field service, field service, field service. From where these things are coming actually? These things are coming from the workflow. Clear till this point? Any doubt, any question? Anyone? Yes, guys, tell me. Anyone has any doubt, any question? If no, let's go to the workflow. Click on the workflow editor. Okay. Nowadays in the market, a new term into the picture, flow designer. Maybe if you watch my today's video on the Rome release, you will find that term very frequently. Flow designer, I'm using it. We will discuss in tomorrow's call. Don't worry. So these are the workflows defined here. How many of you work on the incident management? When I say, anyone work? Nobody work. Nice. No problem. Okay. Now what we'll do, I will show you one workflow here. Request. Before that, let me go here. Tables, request management. SC_REQ. Create your REQ records. SC_REQ_item. Please create your RITM number. SC_task. This create your SC task. So these table will be widely used in my workflow. Again, workflow means I am attaching something on the table level. How to make a cup of tea? There's a workflow defined. If I take an example, when we are becoming elder, especially it's maybe for the girls and definitely for the boys as well. Mom start teaching to the girls. If some guests come at home, what you have to do? Please serve the water first. Then ask for the tea. Then prepare a tea. Serve the tea. Serve the biscuits and namkeen. Then take back the empty glasses or the cup. What is this? This is a workflow. This workflow has been attached if any guests come at home. But will this workflow applicable if you go at someone's house as a guest? Yes or no? Yes or no? Guys, either say yes, either say no. Something. Come on, everybody's on the mute. Arun, Vishwajit, Harsha, Dhanashri,
No, sir,
Prashant.
this is not applicable from our side.
Right. Then what is applicable if you go at someone's house? Don't make noise. Don't eat. Don't take tea. Don't play harsh with the toys. Sit, keep quiet. So in the same manner, what we will do now, we will create one workflow and we will attach on the SC_REQ item table. And what I will tell that if anybody is raising a request, if anybody come here and say, okay, submit, what action should be happen in the background? How he will get notified further? How I will get notified further? See, this has been created, but there's nothing defined in the background. Your mom say, okay, please make a cup of tea. You are silent because you don't know that what to do now. I don't know what to do, how to make a cup of tea. So these things we are going to be defined now in our workflow. Okay. Now let's come here. Click on the plus icon. It means I'm going to create a new workflow. Don't worry, we will create a workflow using the Flow Designer as well. If you once you see that the front end, you will be surprised, Atul, why are you teaching all the old things to us? But as of now in the market, this is also in use. Let me put the in here. Snow training. Okay. On which table you want to run this? I want to run this table on my item level, on this level, right? So go here and search for the table. SC underscore REQ underscore item. That is the reason I said start remembering this table now. It is important. You should remember the tables now. This one. Okay. Now scroll down. These are the out of the box stage renderings. Basically, it's a workflow driven. How you want to move your change, or how you want to move your item one by one. You say everything should be done by the workflow. I never change it to anything else, and I'm not sure 100% what is the purpose it is fulfilling here. Stage order mark as a computed, which is be there out of the box. I say it should be there. Now click on the submit. I just define a function. Function is sum. There's nothing I mentioned that what this function will do. What is the input it will take? Any doubt till this point? I want your questions now only, because this is the important point we are going to be discussed now. Any doubt, any question?
Atul?
Yes, Manoj.
See, we selected a table, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, like, can you explain that part? I mean, what input it is going to take from the table, or like how's it?
Yes. See, when you submit this record credited in one of the table, right? Which store my item, my delivery date, my stage, my pricing, my quantity, my total, right? Don't forget the basic funda. Table is basically used to store the data, right, Vinuj? So how my system, how my workflow will know that what I need to be do now, on which record I need to be do now. So I'm putting as a table here that was if any record created in SC underscore REQ underscore item table, you have to be run this workflow. Again, simple. Your mom told you that how to make a cup of tea. If any guest came or you want to have a cup of tea, you can go and create your tea for yourself easily now. How? Because she told you that these items, tea bags, this sugar, fry pan are kept in this particular wardrobe. That is a table she is telling to you. So that is the purpose we put the table, that on which table this particular workflow will be executed.
Okay, so every time when we create, like when we create a catalog item, we should create the workflow, or
Yes.
like all the workflow is based on the table. I mean, the table already have a.
No. Okay. Tell me one thing. You want to order a grocery and you want to book a flight. Is the workflow will be same for both of the things?
No.
It means both are the two different records. If I am a bank, you want to deposit a amount and you want to withdraw the amount. Definitely workflow will be different for these two, right? But
so, Atul, I'm trying to understand. Like, no, suppose like in our IT environment, okay,
Right.
we have we have set of requirement which falls under one group. ठीक है? Let's take like we have the hardware like assets and headsets, laptop, others.
Right.
So for those, it will be a single workflow or it will be per item workflow?
Nice question, Abinuj. Okay, now tell me. Sorry, I'm putting a cross question here because I want you to be clarify this point to me.
Yes.
The process of making a cup of tea and the process of making a cup of coffee is, if I say, similar, 100% same, right? Right, Vinuj?
Yes. Okay.
But the workflow of making a cup of tea and the workflow for making a dal is definitely different. Agree?
Correct.
So when you say that, Atul, in our IT we have a hardware, laptop, desktop, headphones. If you know, or if your customer say that my employee requests for any of the item, either desktop, laptop, headphones, dongle, internet, anything they order, it should be follow these 5 steps. Then create a one workflow and apply on the 5 items. If he say no, I want for the laptop, it should go to the 2-level approval. If it is a desktop, it should go to the 1-level approval. If it is a dongle, it can go to the no approval. Then you have to be define the 3 different workflow for the 3 different items as well. Now
Okay.
this is your work as a consultant to see that how optimize you can do that part.
Correct.
Clear?
Correct.
So that is the way. Okay.
Okay, Atul, just one last thing. So,
Sure.
like, does this module comes with out of box module?
Out of the box completely.
अच्छा, ये सारे out of box. Okay.
Yes, completely out of the box. Okay. Anyone else? Any other doubt, question? Okay. Silence is golden for me, but maybe harmful for you little later. Let's come here. Now, when I say, let's take example. Okay, let's take a Dhanashi example. Dhanashi say that I want to purchase a new bike for myself. Bike cost rupees approximately. She want to buy Jupiter or she want to buy Activa. If she want to buy Activa, that costs approximately more than 1 lakh rupees as of now. I'm excluding the petrol prices. Okay. This is a heavy amount. And she know that she cannot spend that amount independently. She need to take approval from his parents. Right? That is the one example. So she need to put this request in front of his parents. Please, I want this particular Activa Jupiter. Please approve my amount. This is the approval activity I am talking here. Maybe if she is married, she will not ask his parents. She will take approval from his husband. It can be case, right? So it means in the workflow, we need to be designed that if I'm raising any request and I know that this request need to be approved by someone, by individual or by a group, I need to put that group into my activity. Number 1 point. Second point. She got the approval. Dhanashi got the approval from husband. Okay. She informed to the dealer. Please book my Activa of the light blue color. I will come on the next Monday on the Ganpati Chaturthi. She is sending a notification to that dealer. This is a notification. Is the another activity has been planned in this particular workflow. Now, on the day of the next Monday, Ganpati Chaturthi, she and her husband go to the dealer. Number 1, on the gate, salesman welcome. Okay, thank you, ma'am, for coming. How I can help you? I want to purchase this Activa. I already booked that part. Okay, ma'am, do you want to take a test ride? Yes. Now that salesperson will not give you the test ride. There is some other person who will give you the test ride. He called to the other person. Hey, please come and give a test ride. It means Group 1 done the part of the greeting you. Group 2 taking you on the test ride. You done the test ride, he give the explanation now. In the third step, okay ma'am, how is feedback? Dhanashi and her husband say, it's okay. We can proceed for the purchase. Now he called to the purchase department person or the billing department person. Sir, ma'am is ready to buy this Activa. Please make a bill and let us know. Okay. Dhanashi go to that purchase department and say, okay, I need in the red color. Okay, ma'am, give me a minute, let me check. That person called to the stock department in the godown. Hey, we need one red color Activa. Is it available? That person check. Yes, it is available. It is available means that purchase person assign a task to the stock person to check the red color is available or not. He said, okay. Reply came, task closed. Purchase department person say, yes, ma'am, it is available. Okay. Make a bill. In the meantime, he told to the test ride person, not the test ride, he called to the garage person and call that take this receipt, go to the godown, pick up that red color Activa and get it ready with the basic accessories. Another task has been assigned to that particular garage person. In the meantime, still billing is not completed now, but another task has been assigned to the respective person. Okay, he go to the godown, he bring the red color Activa, bring it here, then the formalities and all the things. After half an hour, he came and say, okay, sir, ready. Now what happened? That purchase department or that particular person give you a receipt. Okay, ma'am, go to the cash counter and deposit the money or submit the money. You take that receipt at the time that purchase person closes task. My task has been done to create a bill. Then you go to the cash counter. That person see, okay, show me your ID card. Show me this thing. Show me this thing. Okay, this, ma'am, this is amount you have to pay. Insurance, yes, no, you want. That you have done. Then finally, billing has been done. You get the Activa. At the gate, another task has been closed. At the gate, ma'am, please show me the outer this thing ticket. You show the outer ticket, and now the Activa is yours. So if you see here in the complete process, how it's been started, Dhanashi requested for a Activa. It go to the approval. This approval is the activity in my workflow. Approval received. If approval rejected, plan cancelled, she will start crying. Approval accepted, she is happy. She informed to the dealer. And the next process has been started in the task format. Dealer, go to the dealer, test ride one task, purchasing second task, go down stock checking third task, bring the Activa from go down here fourth task, billing creation fifth task, cash counter sixth task, outer ticket seven task, and item close. You got the Activa. Till this point, any doubt? Dhanashi, are you married or bachelor?
Bachelor, sir.
Okay, no problem. Then you can, instead of your husband, you can take your father here. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Any doubt? Any question? Anyone? Okay. If no doubt, no question. So all these points which we discuss now, we need to be configured in our workflow. When I open this workflow, there's a nothing mentioned, begin and end, nothing is there. There's a concept called the core workflow activities. Core means these are the minimum activities which you need in your workflow to be run the workflow as required. And this is given by ServiceNow out of the box. In interview, this question has been asked many times. What are the core activities? You can say approval, condition, notification, all call, catalog, workflow task. These are my core activities. So now what we'll do, we will set up a approval mechanism first. In approval, I have a multiple things. If, as Dhanashi told that she is still with his father, so she need approval from the both father and mother. So it will be a group approval. If she is married and she's residing with his husband in some other city or some other country, then approval user will be okay. You can see these things, rest of the things, how this can be taken care. We are mainly using the approval group. Let me go here. Put it here. See how easy drag and drop. It is still drag and drop. When you go for the flow designer, you will be very much happy. Now it is asking me the name. First level approval. Stage, leave it as of now. Do you want to put any condition? I said no condition. Every item should go to the approval. Or you can say if price is less than $2, no approval required. So that is totally depend on your conditions. When today you design your catalog and don't become super excited now. Think a good example of this particular exercise. Don't create rubbish one. Dhanashi 1, Arun 1, Harsha 1, Tanvi 1. No. I want a sensor, what I can say, a good contexted one catalog here. Okay, Atul, I am using this as a project. Maybe someone can say, Atul, I am creating a menu card for the hotel. I am creating a workflow or the portal for the catalog item for the school admission. I am creating a catalog for the class exams or the class test, Hindi, English, mathematics, all these things. So you can define your conditions if required. Okay, so as of now, I don't need anything here. Let not be go this side. Okay, now come this approval. To whom this request should go for the approval and unlock, and you can put the group name here. I want this should go to the batch 4. Batch 2 or batch 4. I put batch 4. Lock. If you want to put anything advanced, you can put your scripting part here as well. Okay, so you can see you can enter your scripts. Basically, it has been taken care, but in our case, we will avoid using the scripting as much as you can avoid it. Okay. Schedule. I know when my father in the morning get up, he's in the good mood. But I am not in the capacity where I can go and talk to him for my Activa request. What I did, I send a message on his phone number, or maybe I ask my mom, please talk to father about the Activa part. So you can schedule your workflows as well. That this should be triggered on a specific time or date specifically. Generally, scheduling is be applicable when you know that after 5 days I need approval from that person. Then we schedule, otherwise we avoid scheduling all these things. Okay. Now, if I come here, condition for approval. What will happen if father approve, mother reject? What will happen if mother approve, father reject? What will happen if both reject? What will happen if both approve? So here you have to decide that. Wait for approval from each group. Suppose Dhanashi is married now. Okay, she's living with his in-laws. She needed approval from her husband, number one. She needed approval from in-laws as well. So what this basically say that how you want the approval. You want an approval from each group. Suppose if I mention here, let me mention here two more group. Batch 2, and let me say, okay, let's these two, take these two. Okay. Now in this case, what will happen? That anyone from these two groups should be approved. Either husband approve and father-in-law approve. I am good to go. Okay. Or an approval from any group. Either father approve or my in-laws approve. I am good to go. It is the or condition. It is the and condition. And approval from everywhere in all groups. The things which I mentioned on the top, the four groups, do I need for everyone approval? Suppose I need approval from my husband as well, and I need approval from my mother-in-law and father-in-law as well. For everyone. First response from each group. Suppose you put this proposal in front of your in-laws, and your father-in-law say, okay, go ahead. Your husband say, okay, go ahead. Then you can do that part, because in our case we have only two members. But if we have 5 or 6 members, then you can easily get it part. Each group and any group, either husband approve or in-laws approve, I can go ahead. Or if you want to write any script, you can write on the script as well. So what we mention here, first response from each group. Now what should happen? Reject the approval or wait for the deciding. I said, suppose batch 4, one person approved. Shall I go ahead and consider that it has been approved, or shall I wait for the another group as well to give their approval? Then wait for the response before deciding and click on the submit here. On script, what happened? Oh. On submit script, what happened, my dear friend? Yes, now it's safe. Okay, any doubt, any question till this point? Tell me, guys.
Atul.
Yes, please.
So we'll have to attach this to like no in between the begin and the end, or how is it?
I did not reach there. I just asked any question on this point. I'm coming to that point, Vinod. Sorry. Any question, any understanding need on the approval part? Okay. Arun, sorry, Vinod, your question is actually right. We have to be
just know one more thing like
Yes,
before
yes.
we begin. So apart from the approval and the reject, is there any other
no
scenarios like on hold or something like that?
No. That is not a condition here. See, either you pass, either you fail. When the result has been announced, when you go for the certification exams, it's pass or fail. It never say you are okay. So the same thing, no gray area. Either approve, either reject. That is the only thing. Yes, you can define that. If you see today, what you can do, see the change management workflow. Then you will get a little more idea on that part.
Where is that?
You can see here, you can search here for the change one. You can see change request, normal, change task. Then you can easily get this idea. Okay. So now what we'll do, we will bring this into the middle, or maybe I'll not put the middle. I say begin, but what do next? Go for the approval. Click on this and move this arrow from this particular. It is so easy. If it has been approved, what to do? We did not decide. If it is reject, what to do? We did not decide. So what I can say, if your husband or your father-in-law and mother-in-law says, sorry, we cannot buy the Activa, request close, process end. Okay, fine. But if it has been approved, then what next? Then what next? Should we create a new task for the same now? Right? Now what we'll do? Click on the validate here. It is giving me one warning. And here's the warning. What do you mean by this warning? Read it. And tell me.
It is about the closure of the approved state.
What do you mean the closure of the approved state?
It's like we have not no yet like implemented the other step. Once it is approved, so what will happen?
Yes. So it is giving me an error. Your mom told that if some guests come, you need to make a cup of tea. But she did not tell you what to do after that. Do you need to be served, or the guest will come in the kitchen to get a cup of tea? So this thing is missing here. As of now, let's take example. I'm closing it. Maybe I can say I'm closing it. And it's safe. Now it has been checked out. Let me publish it. Done. Now what I will do, I'll go here in my catalog item, go to the workflow and attach this workflow here. Snow training. In 3, only one field can be populated at a one time. And click on the save here. Nothing else. I'm doing it now. Now let's go here and raise a new request. Go here or this one, functional training. And now I will order it. Simple. My request has been generated and now you can see request showing in the approved state. Let's see what wrong we done here. Copy. Simple. These are the troubleshooting point. Sometimes I did the mistake intentionally and sometimes it happens with me. Okay. This is the request number which we open. Open the RITM and scroll down. See approval. These two groups. Clear till this point. Now, if you want to see in the workflow manner, open this show workflow. And in the workflow, you can see it is green. It means my workflow or my item is stuck on this point. Now what I will do, I will approve this. Approve. Okay. Scroll down and approve this. Nothing will be done forward now. Done. No task will be created because we did not define anything in our workflow. If you reload this one now, it's completed. Because we did not define anything. If it approved, what else we need to be do here? क्लियर हुआ पॉइंट यहाँ तक? अंडरस्टैंडिंग सबकी क्लियर है? किसी को डाउट, क्वेश्चन, क्लैरिफिकेशन? एनीवन? यस गाइस, एनीवन? यस विश्वजीत?
अतुल,
यस विनोज?
एक जो अपना ऑलरेडी नो लाइक नो व्हाटएवर वी हैव दिस ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग वर्कफ्लो, so like do you take us time to explain that? कोई एक रेफर करके बता सकते हैं क्या?
Simple.
Which is more complicated than what we discussed.
Okay.
Like change or something.
Change is the change we will discuss when we go for the change management. But that is maybe I can explain, but not now. In some other day when we discuss about the change management, actually, I'll pick up that part. I already have in my bucket. Okay. Now what you have to be do today? You need to be go here and order the catalog item of a iPad, or let's take an order of a desktop. This exercise you guys have to be do it. Go here, change the value here. Okay, we will discuss it, that from where these things are coming. We will discuss. Okay, click on the order now, and then open the open the request in a window, and via workflow check how it has been driving it, why it is going for the approval, how the task is getting created. If you want to know the workflow name, simple, go to maintain item. And search for the desktop. This one, because we are going to be exercise for this one, and open this workflow. You want to see how good it is? Welcome in the world of ServiceNow. This is the workflow. See how big. Till now we discuss till this point only, approval part. Tomorrow we will discuss all these things. Maybe you find some trouble here, so better you can follow the iPad part. That is also good, because it is required some procurement, so it will go some other process as well. Any one of this, Apple, iPod, i5, open this. Read about this complete item, how this has been defined, how this will look like. See, they design some different manner workflow.
So I think that's why yes, ServiceNow called as beyond the ticketing tool, because here we are not doing it on ticketing, because we are doing it like the what Flipkart is doing, right? Like I mean, during these the $1 billion sales, right?
Right. So do this thing, do this exercise today. Open the out of the box catalog items. Read about the same, what they have mentioned, how they mentioned, how this has been executing. Try to execute from your end, and then you will come to know these things. Okay, ServiceNow in the Rome release, ServiceNow say the platform of the platform 21st century. The way they introduce this platform of platform, they call it platform because no other platform can beat ServiceNow in the current situation. The way they're expanding their tool, the way they're expanding the things is so brightly. Okay, now in the request management, it is easy to understand, but I want you guys to do some practical scenarios. Go create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 request item. Go here, search for the item, open the workflow, understand the workflow, how this has been defining. Read about these things. If you scroll down, variable, catalog variables, categories, read about this thing. What is this specifically variables? These things we will discuss in detail, but more you explore, more you be getting a lot of things. Okay, any doubt, any question?
No, sir.
Vinus, don't worry, we will pick up that change management workflow as well. Okay. Anyone else? Harsha, Tanvi. Sorry, you're speaking, Vinus, sorry.
No, nothing.
Okay. Harsha, Tanvi, Vishwajit, Aishwarya, Arun, Dhanashri, Prashant.
No doubt, sir. Will ask tomorrow.
Okay, definitely. I want you guys to be asked the questions tomorrow. But before that, you have to do this exercise at your end. Today, create the workflow, but not now. Maybe in the evening. But before that, do the exercise like this. Open any record, go and do the complete work cycle. How this has been generating, where it has been going. Easy to define. We guys are so smart now. We can read, okay, this means, this means, this means, this means, okay, this task will be created. You can see only on which level the task will be created, which group it is be assigning. See, it is assigning the field services, short description delivered to customer. Okay, that's fine. These are things. Okay, so let me stop the recording here. Yes, Arun, go ahead.
Yeah. So it means it is mostly about the logic part, right? On the workflow design. Like what is the logic is being
no,
done?
not logic.
Then?
It is activities specifically. Logic means you have to write some code. Nothing. You have to just see that what are the next step I want to be executed in my workflow. Till now, did we do anything in the coding part? We just drag and drop, right?
Right.
So same thing. There is no logic, but you should know that what are the sequence of my activities, and just drag and drop, do your things. If you want to see a little more, I'll show you in the workflow here. See, open this change. See, this is the workflow. Starting from this page and ending on this page. See, ending on this page. Right? These are things which you can understand, which you can see.
So I know, like, in the earlier pages, we can take the printout, right? And take the Excel sheet. In this case, can we do, or can we take out the printout, or the workflow?
Not possible. Not possible.
Okay. I mean,
I'll not say that is the drawback of ServiceNow, but that is the way the system has been designed. You cannot download the workflow.
Okay.
You cannot download. If you want, you can take a screenshot for this, but you cannot download in PDF. And that is as required. I know that is as required. It is good practice, not a bad practice here. Okay, so any other doubt, question? Okay, perfect. So let me stop the recording here, guys.